We've just smashed an absolute intense workout over at David Lloyd's. We did back, no we didn't do back. We did legs and a bit of chest, which my missus did struggle with, but we pushed her through. But now it's time for us to go and obviously nourish our bodies. Post-workout meal, and that's what I'm going to talk you through today. It is my absolute go-to, and if not, the most important aspect of being a vegan. So stick with me, and I'm going to show you the secret to obviously succeeding with this lifestyle. Right guys, I'm just going to give you a really good breakdown of what we're going to be using in today's chili. So if you accompany me down there, here we have got some smoked paprika. Just to the right over there, we have got some black pepper. Go to a bit of cashew seasoning. To the right of a bit of the cashew, we've got our coriander. Underneath that, we've got our chili flakes. To polish it off, we've got a little bit of cinnamon. Some brown rice, some chickpeas, accompanied with some beautiful green lentils. Just to finish off the golden trio, it's got to be some red kidney beans in a gorgeous chili sauce. We've got a good sized vegetable stock cube, a garlic, an onion, my absolute go-to, which is a bit of hemp oil. Slight change of plans. We couldn't find any chilies.
Typical thing we need.
You know, the one ingredient that we need to make a chili, we forget. So we've had to get creative, and we've come up with a concoction of sauces which I feel will give the illusion of chili. To the right, we've got
Sriracha chili sauce. This literally will be the replacement for the chili. It's the spicy bit.
I can't wait.
I like this. I have it on it basically everything. It's quite cheap in Tesco as well. Actually, no, it's a complete lie. It's not American. It's definitely from like Thailand. I don't know why I thought it was American. Next one's reggae sauce. It's a jerk one, and we typically put this in pretty much anything. We also have it in baked beans, and it's really good.
Tops everything off. So if you're having, I don't know, a curry, rice, you name it, just whatever.
It's not too
It just
spicy.
goes everything. It's a barbecue sauce with a bit of a kick.
Which is always it's Levi Roots. All of these things is going to make it really spicy and hot, which is kind of going to give the illusion of the chili, which is basically what we need.
Right guys, let's get chopping.
Having fun with the stock cube.
Yeah, it's a little bit tricky. Right, so now we're going to be popping these onions on. So if you just grab them like so, and we just place those there like that. So what we want to do now, we want to caramelize these onions. So as soon as they start going a little bit translucent and a little bit opaque, so see-through, that's when you obviously you pop in that garlic. Because we're dicing the onion, yeah! Right guys, so as you can see, they are going a nice little goldeny caramelized colour. Literally another 30 seconds and that will be ready. So we're going to be popping on that garlic in there. So garlic has gone in. We'll cook this for a further 2 minutes. So now that that is obviously nice and caramelized, we're going to add the carrots. Right guys, so we're going to be popping the tomato in now, an ingredient that I actually forgot to mention earlier on. Chuck it in the pan, give that a good mix. So now we are going to be adding the spices. We're are also going to be chucking our vegetable stock cube in there. We are going to be adding in our protein. So we've got our chickpeas, which we're going to chuck in there. Our lentils, which we will be chucking in there as well. Our kidney beans, and then we'll just pop that like so. We're also going to be adding our barbecue sauce in there. The spicier you want, the spicier you put the sauce. Squeeze that in there. Give that a mix. We're just going to fill it up with water. We're going to let that simmer down. Obviously, just let all of that sauce cook down, really, really enhancing all of those flavours.
Good, babe.
So I'm going to be doing about 2.5 to 3 cups. We're just going to pop that on there. So we've done the hard work now, the prep is done, the veggies are sliced, everything is cooking and boiling and sizzling, which is what we like. So they will take roughly about 40 minutes for both, so for the rice and for the chili, it will be 40 minutes. So if it was myself, get them both done at the same time, and then they'll be done at the same time. Now, one quick pro tip again, don't panic if you start seeing loads of foam coming out of your rice, that's just the starch. Now, do panic if you do have a small bowl, because obviously that will overflow, but if you've got a nice spacious bowl like I have here, like a nice big pot or a nice big saucepan, that should be absolutely fine. So this rice is done. I'm going to show you the trick to getting this spot on every time now. What you want to do now, you just want to drain the rice onto here. With this brown rice, you just want to let it sit for 10 minutes in the same saucepan that you cooked it in. So if you have a look, that's just going to dry it out ever so slightly. This is going to increase in fluffiness. Just going to be finishing off the dish with some chia seeds and some pumpkin seeds. So I like to do a little handful of chia seeds like so, and just sprinkle them onto my dish like this. Just a little handful of pumpkin seeds, which I'm going to drop onto there. So good. You have to try this.